Giant trees. Ikaw, Minda, ikaw ang artista dito.
Ha?
Sa YouTube ko ilalagay ito.
Oh, okay lang.
Ganda oh. Ganda. Maganda. Maganda. Magayunon. Ito naman, very thick yung puno, no?
It's so nice. So peaceful.
Yes.
Very peaceful. I bet summertime this is full time.
Maganda pati itong walkway, ano?
Sounds like, oh, it's inside the tree.
Natrap sila yon inside the trees. Yung birds. Oo nga.
Here? Maybe
Yes.
there's a nest inside there.
Oo.
Maybe there's a nest.
Ganda. It's a beautiful place. Pero yun mo naman, ang lalaki ng trees, oh. Yan, oh.